Aksha, come on, should pledge. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of this stage where I did. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all others, and to everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVMs of Grade IX Sapphire. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Akshita from Grade IX Sapphire. National news. President Draupadi Murmu has become only the Indian second president to travel underwater submarine to review our Navy's work. The red alert has been issued. Red alert has been issued. Dense fog and extremely cold in several northern states. The students are advised to be very careful while traveling in the morning. International news. US President Donald Trump has announced deal to be end war between Russia and Ukraine getting to be closer. World leaders are hopeful that 2026 will be the very safe and peace for the people in that region. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today GK questions are brought to you by CE Show from Grade 9 Sapphire. GK question. Question for Grade 7. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Newton. Let's appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is carbon dioxide. Let's appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which organ in the body, woman body, pumps the blood? Yes, if the right answer, the answer is heart. Let's appreciate them. Open questions to all. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Yes, pick the right answer. The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Let's appreciate them. Second question. Which part the leaf make food? Like plant make. Yes, if the right answer, the answer is leaf. Let's appreciate them. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is brought by Karen from Grade IX Sapphire. Nothing in life is to be fear, only it is to be understand. I repeat again, nothing in life it is to be fear or
Harsha from Grade IX Sapphire. Word splendid, it means beautiful. Friends, please spell out for me. Splendid. 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 Thank you.
Karen from Grade IX Sapphire. Thought. Nothing in life is to be fear, only it is to be understand. I repeat again, nothing in life is to fear, only it is to be understand. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's sports news is brought to you by Ashmita from 9 Sapphire. India's women cricket team is going to play final and fifth and final T20 match against Sri Lanka in Thiruvananthapuram. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by B. Madhu of Grade IX Sapphire. Weather report. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius. Humidity 44%. Precipitation 10%. Wind speed 10 kilometers per hour. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin.
Happy morning everyone. Today facts are brought to you by Uday from Grade IX Sapphire. Fact number 1. The earth is a magnet. Fact number 2. 50% of world's oxygen present in a sea. Fact number 3. There are more trees in planet than the stars in solar system. Fact number 4. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters in yearly. Fact number 5. 1 letter does not exist in periodic table. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My son of Grade IX Sapphire brought you identity. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube. A minus b of a square plus ab plus b minus b cube. A plus a cube plus b cube. A plus b of a square plus ab plus b square. A plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A cube minus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A plus b plus c of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning everyone, I am Abdul from Grade IX Sapphire, brought you today's state news. State news. BRS is ready for the discussion upon the water sharing irrigation project, says KTR. Thank you.